Is it time to buy or sell Roblox stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Roblox. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Roblox as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.94. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 50.32% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 50.32% to 88.33%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 120.59%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 48.37% to 164.53% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $175.50 and $312.88. Our latest daily update for Roblox features the headline, Roblox stock downgraded to sell candidate. The Roblox stock price decreased by 1.39% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025, falling from $119.95 to $118.28. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.61%, ranging from a low of $115.73 to a high of $119.90. The stock has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 6.95% during this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator as volume typically mirrors stock performance. On the last trading day, the volume fell by 6 million shares, with a total of 7 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $796,640,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $150.56 and its lowest price of $37.50. Currently, the price stands 21.44%, or $32.28, below the 52-week high of $150.56, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Roblox Corporation, ticker RBLX, is currently experiencing a period of volatility following a series of significant headlines this week. On the 15th of August, Louisiana filed a lawsuit against the company, alleging that the platform has failed to safeguard children. This news led to a notable decrease in the stock price as investors reacted to the growing criticism regarding safety measures. The downward pressure on the stock was further amplified by a subsequent notice indicating that a fraud investigation is seeking plaintiffs, introducing additional potential legal and reputational risks. However, amid this immediate turmoil, there are encouraging operational developments. Reports from mid-August indicate a rise in daily active users and a record number of paying users. Additionally, sustained interest from growth-oriented funds continues to foster a positive narrative around the company's future. Analysts have also pointed out RBLX's high valuation and significant costs, emphasizing the need for precise execution. In the short term, it is expected that the company will face heightened volatility, downgrades from analysts, and pressure on the share price as legal developments and public sentiment influence trading patterns. In the long term, the outcomes will largely depend on the extent of legal exposure and the effectiveness of monetization strategies. A costly legal judgment or regulatory action could severely impact the company's valuation and growth outlook. Conversely, successful defenses, improved safety measures, and sustained increases in daily active users and monetization could facilitate recovery and validate premium valuations. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 18th of August 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned RBLX a sell grade, accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of July 2025, it was reported that BTIG assigned RBLX a buy grade, along with a hold action. On Saturday, the 12th of July 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley rated RBLX as outperform with a hold action. On Monday, the 7th of July 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned RBLX a buy grade with a hold action. On Sunday, the 22nd of June 2025, it was reported that UBS rated RBLX a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to Roblox stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Roblox. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The Roblox stock is exhibiting sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, leading to a more pessimistic outlook. During upward corrections, resistance can be expected at $123.99 and $119.21. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 31st, 2025. And to date, the stock has declined by 14.16%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 24 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 84 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 74 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Roblox. Roblox identifies support from accumulated volume at $117.34. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the previous day, the stock fluctuated by $4.18, which represents 3.61%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 5.21%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Roblox, let us quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is currently losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios can suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of October 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative $440,000. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Roblox. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Roblox is $124.50. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Roblox faces its first support level at $117.34. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Roblox from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of August, 2025, Basuki David executed an insider sale of 150,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 7th of August, 2025, Basuki David executed an insider sale of 1,143,191 shares of Class B common stock. On the 7th of August, 2025, Basuki David also executed an insider purchase of 1,143,191 shares of Class A common stock. On the 7th of August, 2025, Lee Anthony P. executed an insider sale of 50,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 7th of August, 2025, Kaufman Matthew D. executed an insider sale of 6,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 20.020. Overall, insiders purchased 4,435,680 shares and sold 6,706,865 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Roblox stock a good buy? Currently, the Roblox stock displays several negative indicators. Despite the positive trend, we anticipate that Roblox will underperform in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock from a recommendation to buy to a recommendation to sell. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 20th of August, we expect Roblox to open lower by 312 thousandths and begin trading at $117.97. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.